So in this video, you'll learn how to install FC Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to choose where you're installing it from, whether it's from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. And then from here, you want to launch either app so that you can start installing. Next, use the search function and simply type in the words FC Mobile. Once you've done that, simply select search and wait for the search results to appear on your phone. You should see it listed there, so just tap on it to confirm or to view the app details, and then ensure that it's by Electronic Arts or EA. From here, just tap on install and simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on play to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen and the apps drawer and look for the app icon from there and tap on it to launch the app so that you can now start playing EA Sports, FIFA game or FIFA Mobile on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.